Are you hosting a Christmas party and need a festive way to keep your wine chilled? Look no further. I'll show you how to make a dramatic DIY Christmas wine chiller. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Key. Today's video is going to be really short. I'm just doing a Christmas themed wine chiller. I'm going to use just products I got from the Dollar Tree. This here, this. And then also I just grabbed some of these leaves and foliage just from outdoors. All right, let's just jump straight into it. So I grabbed these branches and leaves from outdoors because it had a Christmas look to it. I cut them into pieces and started arranging in the bucket. I have the cylinder inside the wine bucket because this will create the space that the wine bottle will go into once I finish this. So make sure your wine bottle fits into the base you use. This standard 750 milliliter wine bottle fits into the Dollar Tree base. Now it's time to add your water. Fill about 2/3 the way up because once frozen it will increase in size. The water may shift some things so you can make some adjustments. Next, put it into the freezer overnight or until frozen solid. You will need something heavy to hold the vase in place while it freezes, so I chose these 2 plates. The next day, I pulled it out of the freezer and ran it over some water to loosen it up. You can remove from the bucket and set onto anything you desire. I decided to use the same ice bucket and add it to this holiday beverage table. Trust me, your guests will be impressed by your creativity and your wine will stay perfectly chilled throughout the party. Enjoy a festive and functional touch to your Christmas celebrations. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more holiday DIY ideas.